Our top earning play today was Now. The Now had earnings, number one earning play, gap and crap under 875 and breakout over 900 and 904. So we have a bunch of things. We have 900 psychological level. We had also this pre-market high breakout. Pretty simple. So basically once you break out of here, it gives me a confidence to long. So as soon as the market opened, initially I told them we will long the breakout versus 890. Just when I said it started to break out, we longed it right away, long 905s. If you long here, then you can risk 890, but once it starts to break out, your risk is 900. So high of the day breakout, and the first target was 920. We met our 920 target. We decided to hold into 10 a.m. By 10 a.m., we hit our 940 target. Next target was 950. Even if you risked $100 here, you made $400-500. That was the kind of trade. If you risked 1,000, you made $4,000-5,000. And you see that we get a 10 a.m. pullback. That's fine. But then we got a flag break. So that was a flag breakout, and then it curled from that flag for a midday setup. You can always trade that midday setup. You do not cut. Our stops never hit. 920 was our stops, and it curled from there. It's a beautiful winner. So next one is Netflix. So Netflix was our day 4 play. 1050, 1060, those were our two resistance pivots that we had in the pre-market. Right when I saw the flow coming in, right at the open, I told the traders you can long it, and I gave the target 1080. Then Ghostboard came with unusual flow. The stock was trading at like 150s, and there was a flow coming for 180s. That's pretty bullish. So I told traders you can sell some into 10 a.m. and it did not break down. It flagged. You see that I hold this level. So once it broke the flag, I told the traders it's going to make the next leg up, and then it made the next leg up as well here. 1080 target met. Then next target I told 1100 or 1090, and after that we did hit 1090. We finally hit our 1100 target. All you had to do was hold. If you want to trade the options, you don't need too many. Let's say you're trading 1100 calls. They were $2 today. They were lotos, but they went 400%. And if you don't want to trade lotos, then you can trade something close. You can trade 1080. Remember, there's a flow. They went from $5 to $20. So you just had to hold, and that's what I keep telling my traders in my community. Hold, 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 hold. You do not get a day like this too often. It was also a daily breakout. If you look at the daily chart, you will see that Netflix was also a daily breakout. Right here, you can see that it was a nice daily breakout, and also it was a 1 hour consolidation. So you always have to review your daily chart, your 1 hour chart. This was the 1 hour consolidation breakout. So that's why I was focused on Netflix. That's why it was a big winner for us. That's why the trader made 400-500% there. And you can always trade leverage ETF. Also, remember, it had an earnings, and the stock can move on the day 2. It can move on the day 3. It can move on the day 4. It can move any day.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.